Muscle contraction. Muscle contraction. Muscle contraction.
I bet you guys are wondering how these marvelous events can occur.
No.
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 Just
go with it. Go with it. Go with it. I will go with it. The first step in a muscle contraction is the nerve impulse. It's a thought. It starts in your brain, travels down your spinal cord. When it reaches the motor neuron, it goes down into the axon branches. This area right here is called the motor end plate, and it contains lots of mitochondria. Right here, the sarcolemma is folded. When the nerve impulse reaches the end of the motor neuron, it reaches the synaptic vesicles. The synaptic vesicles then release neurotransmitters called acetylcholine into the synaptic cleft. This leads to a muscle contraction.
The acetylcholine combines with certain protein molecules known as receptors, which exist in the muscle fiber membrane. This stimulates a muscle impulse, which passes in all directions over the surface of the muscle and travels through the T-tubules, reaching the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which contains a high concentration of calcium. The impulse causes calcium to be released and the membranes of the cisternae to become permeable to calcium ions. The calcium ions diffuse into the sarcoplasm of the muscle fiber. This is an actin filament, and this is a myosin filament. The actin filament is composed of the troponin complex, tropomyosin, and the actin monomers. The myosin filament is made of myosin molecules, and these here are cross bridges. The calcium ions bind to the troponin complex, pulling the tropomyosin aside and exposing the actin binding sites. The myosin cross bridges then link to the actin binding sites and pull the actin filament, resulting in a power stroke. ADP-NP is released from myosin. After ADP-NP leaves, it is replaced by ATP, which then turns into ADP-NP again to provide energy for the myosin cross bridges to cock back and reset, to restart the cycle over again. This cycle continues as long as there is ATP. Think of it like a rower who can keep rowing as long as he has energy.
Check this out, baby girl. Why don't you check out our again?
Man, I go to work. True winner. Jeans skinny like Squidward. Looking for your girl. Just missed it. Then my cat daddy and I took it down. Timber. Wrist cold, mama call it winner. Swisher full of nuggets, daddy call it dinner. Baby got that shelter, call it thinners.
The third step in muscle contraction is muscle relaxation, which I do. And then first, there are two separate steps. And first, acetylcholine becomes decomposed by enzyme acetylcholine esterase at neuromuscular junction, and which prevents single nerve impulse from stimulating muscle fiber. Acetylcholine is broken down to the muscle fiber stops. And then the second step is calcium ions are actively transported back to sarcoplasmic reticulum, and which decreases calcium ion concentration. And then this is fully contracted, which link between actin and myosin filaments break. So the muscle relaxes. Fully contracted, this relaxes.
Ow! Ow!
I'm sorry.
Ow!